Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are gonna do some exercises about derivations with basic level 1. Let's start with the first question. Derivation of this polynomial function can be obtained by derivating each term. Derivation of the first term, 3x squared, and derivate second term, 2x. And when we derivate the third term, we have 3, and derivation of constant term, 0. When we substitute particular value x is equal to 1 into this derivation function, derivation value will be 8. Let's see next example. Using quotient rule for derivation shown here, we can derivate this function, derivation of this function, derivation of the first factor 1 times second factor square root of x plus the first factor times derivation of square root of x 1 over 2 times square root of x. When we substitute x is equal to 1 into this derivation function, we are going to have this value 2. Let's solve next example. So we can derivate this function by using the quotient rule for derivation seen here. Derivation of x plus 1, that is 1, times x plus 2 minus x plus 1 times derivation of x plus 2, 1 over square of x plus 2. And when we substitute x is equal to 0 into derivation function, we are going to have this derivation value, 1 over 4. Let's see next example. So again, we use product rule for derivation. F prime of x is equal to derivation of x 1 times sine x plus x times derivation of sine x cosine x. When we substitute x is equal to pi over 2, we have sine pi over 2 plus pi over 2 times cosine pi over 2. Sine pi over 2 is 1 and cosine pi over 2 cosine 90 degrees 0. And we have derivation value 1. Let's find out derivation of this function by using product rule for derivation. Derivation of the first factor 1 over 2 times square root of x times second factor cosine x plus square root of x times derivation of cosine x minus sine x. Now we are ready to substitute x is equal to 1. 1 over 2 times cosine 1 minus sine 1. Let's solve next example. Derivation function of this f can be obtained by using product rule for derivation. Derivation of the first factor 1 times tangent x plus x times derivation of tangent x 1 plus tangent square x or secant square x. Now we can substitute x is equal to pi over 4. We got tangent pi over 4, 1 plus pi over 4 times 1 plus tangent pi over 4, 1. We got this. The answer will be 1 plus pi over 2. Let's solve next question. Derivation of secant x times tangent x. Now we can substitute x is equal to pi over 6. So we have secant pi over 6 times tangent pi over 6, x pi over 6, sorry. Secant pi over 6, 2 over square root of 3 times tangent pi over 6, 1 over square root of 3. And derivation value of f at the point pi over 6 will be 2 over 3. Let's solve next example. Derivate this function by using product rule for derivation. Derivation of sine x cosine x times e to the power x plus sine x times derivation of e to the power x e to the power x. Now we can substitute x is equal to 0 into this derivation function. Cosine 0, 1, e to the power 0, 1. We have 1 here, and this is 0. And derivation value of f at the point 0 is 1. Let's solve this example. We can derive this function by applying quotient rule for derivation. And by using derivation of ln x is equal to 1 over x. Okay, let's apply quotient rule for derivation. Derivation of top 1 over x times bottom minus 1 plus ln x times derivation of x1 over square. And we are going to have this derivation function 1 minus ln x over x squared, and this cancel. We have minus ln x over x squared. And finally, we can find out derivation value of f at the point 1 minus ln 1 over 1 squared. ln 1 is equal to 0.